So this one is going to be a discussion board. And in this one right here, you're going to write a 3-paragraph summary about religious experiences across different cultures. Now, there is a note here that talks about culturally religious, as in you could be culturally Christian or culturally Hindi or culturally Islamic or culturally pagan. It just depends. What that means is you have grown up in a country that has dominant practices, beliefs, or a framework for that. Like, for example, in the United States, um, there's a big following for the Easter and the Christmas holiday season, and Ramadan is quickly following up behind it. There's incidents where you may not be a practicing Christian or a practicing Muslim, but you are surrounded by this environment and you may even participate or you may be impacted by that some way, or you would base your moral framework possibly on that. So if you need more information about what that means, you might want to look up culturally Christian or culturally Muslim or culturally Hindi, and it might help explain to you what that term is. Because I only say that because it might come up a couple of times when you're doing your assignment. So for this one right here, you're actually going to watch a quick 3 or 4 minute video. It's not very long, talking about the god of Arapo. This is a really sweet one. This is actually a collaborative story that started over on Reddit, and it's kind of it moved over to Tumblr, and it's kind of moved its way to TikTok and Instagram, and it's just kind of become this collaborative thing. But it's a really good, quick, short story on what it means to be devoted to something. And someone who is religiously minded or spiritual minded, they're usually devoted to something very sacred that is outside the realm of natural. It might be in the realm of supernatural or spiritual. So what you're doing here is you're going to watch that, and you're going to discuss what the video's ideas were on the divine devotion. And then as we get into here, this is your more personable side where you're going to be discussing your own personal religious experience. So basically, and you could probably, you'll break this one up into like 2 paragraphs. So you're just writing a 3-paragraph summary, devote 1 paragraph to this video, and then you will devote 2 paragraphs to this one. When I say paragraphs, no one's counting sentences or words, but what we are looking for is a full admission of thought and reflection where we get a good picture of what it is you're talking about. So that's the first option.